Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jeep Wrangler key fob battery. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit workspace to avoid losing any small parts. This simple process will have your key fob working like new in no time. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually near the key ring attachment. Insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist. The two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. Take your time and apply steady pressure to avoid damaging the casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them together firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, test all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking, to ensure everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.